think we had a blizzard. I swear that drift is probably to my waist. I don't like snow. Lots and lots of it. 8 inches or so? Looks like it's a little deep there, boys. Don't push your brother. Now I want to see everybody line up and fall in the snow.
Hold on, I'm trying to get this out. Holding.
Okay, Daxton, that snowdrift is about as tall as you are.
Hold me!
Can you get up?
Hold me! Someone hold me! I'm just setting it.
Okay, go in. Whoa, Avery, it's up to your knee.
Hold me!
Can you dig a tunnel through the snow? That's what I used to do when I was a kid.
Really?
Yeah, I dig like an igloo, like a cave.
I got to test my boots. Ah!
To get in your boots? That's part of the fun.
You can't climb it, Jason.
Should go swing on the rope swing.
Mommy,
What?
could you
You get snow. No, don't touch me.
How can I even get over there? I am.
It's up to your hips, Avery.
Whoa! I can't even get on it.
You trying to get on the rope swing?
Make a title. I just goop up to it.
You're gonna be tired. It's up to your knees. I don't think we can get in our garage.
I'm going.
Good thing church was canceled.
Tomorrow choice.
Tomorrow church is canceled. We are staying home.
Yeah, and what? I can't. Mommy, how can I even dance like this? I'll just do. Should I be a trick? Mommy, what kind of animal is? Okay. No, I don't say once. Why? Yes. I'm gonna do an ice thing. No, you can't.
Is your hand cold? No? They freezing. Goodbye, Avery. See you later. Hey, you can hide behind there and pop up. Oh, I can still see you. Go a little deeper. Oh, now you're gone. Where's Avery? Ah! You okay, Daxton?
Yummy snow.
You can eat it. Just eat the clean snow. Don't eat the dirty snow. Yep, that looks clean. What did you say you're doing? Throwing icicles? What are you two doing over there?
Ask you.
You're building, you're what? Putting stuff on the shovel? Build a shovel? You can build a snowman. This is good snowman snow. So you know how to build a snowman? Hey, look at me. Look like an ice princess. Avery. Kason, you look like an ice prince. Snow prince. Oh, now you don't. Now you just look silly. I'm very snowy. Are you cold yet? What are you doing? Ah! Why are you throwing things at me? You're ornery.
I could step on snow. I could walk since I'm an ice cream.
Do you guys know how to make a snowman?
I know, but since I'm an ice cream, I could step on. I could.
You're still throwing snow on me?
Ah!
Yeah, that's okay to eat.
Well, me and Nayla give up.
Ow. Okay, don't throw it on this place where Dad worked so hard to shovel this.
Wait, what you did?
Yes, Daddy shoveled this, so don't get it all snowy again. All right. Our rope swing. It's very close to the snow because the drift is so high. I'm gonna stand on it.
I just climbed to.
It's hard to stand on it.
No, just put my knees on it.
Get your knees on it. Oh, I don't know what happened over there.
Mom, maybe I know I cleaned the watch.
Did you? Don't. I just said don't put things where Daddy shoveled. Goofball.
Oh. Wow.
What happened to you guys? Oh my goodness. Snow angels. Oh, oh. You did fall down. You hurt your butt? Did you get it on your gloves? Dance for me. Dance. Do, 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 do. Where's your dancing? I want to see. Oh, is that it? This is good. Yay! Don't jump off the bed. Hey, we were saying mama earlier. Can you say mama? Say mama. Yeah. Say uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say, can you go like this? Go. Bryson. 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 Bryson, go.
Mom! Daddy!
You did it. Good job. You're so smart. Daxton can do that too. Daxton, you go. Ah. Yeah. What about coughing? So. Yeah, don't jump on the sucker. You are gonna puke. You just ate dinner.
That's nice.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad we're all healthy. And guess what, you guys? What's tomorrow? What's tomorrow?
No school!
Snow day. No school. Watch out, your brother's next to you, Daxton.
No, don't jump! Don't jump! Hi, Dax.
Look, I've got all 4 of my loves. Oh, one of them got hurt. I'm gonna climb up on Daddy instead. Not gonna do it.
Mommy, look at me.
Now that I got the camera.
Mommy.
Stand up, I wanna see.
Mommy, look at me.
Go. Hi, you. Why do you have a passy? Because you like passies.
You can only be protected by weapons and magic. Got it? Magic! And only each one of your magic one time. Wait, that's one of my magic powers, okay? What? But since I have the magic of everything, I could it's kind of hard to keep track, so I can tell you like good job. And then boy right now. I'm taking a break right now. This is also another power. Dad, I'm taking a break! You can get ignored by this. Time out for it. I'm taking a break. Time out for it.
Hey, are you helping with the dishes? Oh, it looks like you're helping. Those were clean. We gotta wash them again. You gonna put them back in? Yeah, oh, what's the matter? Hey, look at me, look at me. Bryson. Hi. What you doing? You helping? Got the dishes? Yeah. Oh, we grumpy? Okay, I'll come get you. Oh, are we tired? Yeah. We had 2 steps in our house. These are the 2 steps. Come on. You can do it. so good. Yeah, and then the butt scoot still.
What's
You
this?
made it.
What's this, guys?
What is this, guys? Okay.
What's this?
Watching this. Oh my goodness. That was a good throw. You cannot climb down yet, so don't try. Don't try. Daddy, rescue. Hey, what are you doing? Every kid always plays with the Tupperware. You making a mess? I'm ripping paper. He's making a mess.
Good job.
11 months old today. 11 months old today, Bryson.
Mommy, I want to say.
Yeah, 11 months old. Can you say hi? Say hi, camera. Say hi to the camera. You want to see? You want to see? You want to see? Okay, we'll see in a minute.
Spin around.
I love my boysies. Oh, don't tear that down. You'll hurt yourself with that. Show Sissy. Ready? Are you vlogging?
Mhm.
Here we go. Yay! You good? Oh, we fell down. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again.
Yeah.
Look at you. You're so good. Oh, we took the step. Did you catch that on camera?
No.
Oh, no. We'll
I
try
zoomed
again.
in.
Okay, well, don't zoom in. Don't play with the zoom, okay?
Uh-oh. This thing's at low battery.
Okay, well, that's all right. We can still do it. Okay, ready? Don't zoom in. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Step. Oh, wait, that's not how we do it. That's falling. Okay, stand. There you go. Come on. Come on. You knew it. No, wait, what? That's not right. Okay, ready? We try again. Okay, ready? Come on. Oh, dear. There you go. Oh, dear. You gonna come here? Come get the paper. Move your toesies. Well, that's standing pretty good, though. Look at that. Is he doing good? Don't kick him down. What? Move your feet. Oh, wait, that's not how we move our feet. No, not your brother. Alright, do you want to tear up this paper? Look at you. You're so good. Just good standing. Alright. Say bye-bye, Sissy. You can stop vlogging now, Amy.
No, I'm looking at his foot.
Looking at his foot.
I zoomed in.
You zoom down on his baby toes. They're very cute little baby toes. Oh, dear.
Hi.
Daxton, stop wiggling.
Hi, Grayson.
Surfboarding
The beach.
at the beach. Hey, Bud Scoot. That's a good Bud Scoot. Hi, Bud Scoot.
Are you eating vegetables?
Oh, when you learn to walk, I'm gonna miss that Bud Scoot. Hi, you. Oh, careful, you got it on your sore part. Oh dear, we just, ow, 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 careful. Oh, here we go.
I just need to use.
Oh, don't get his toes. Oh, you almost got your brother's toes, Kason. Oh my goodness. You need to be careful. Are you good? Yeah.
And I need to,
Hey, hey, Bud Scoot, get out of the bathroom. Oh, you guys make my heart happy. Hey, Bud Scoot, don't go in that bathroom. You cannot play in the toilet.
Okay. I'm gonna go to.